Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video, I'll be planting these kale. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the spot where I'll be planting the kale. This was just a few of the leaves and stuff I had, so I just threw it here. So I'm just gonna fill it up with some soil. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, it will be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.